Hi, my name's Kevin Caron. I've always been fascinated with shape and line. I'm sort of a mad scientist. I take basic materials and bring them to life by manipulating shapes and colors, always paying homage to the best artist of all, Mother Nature. I'm driven by curiosity. What happens if I do this? I create both metal and large-scale 3D printed artwork. While the metal and 3D printed sculpture may seem different, it's really all about the form and color, the line and the movement. So, heck, I got my gloves. Let's go to the studio and create something.